Standard 8 Maths Chapter 14 Factorization. So far we have discussed up to exercise example 13th of chapter 14. So we are taking one more example where we are dividing a polynomial by a monomial. Now it is example 14 on page number 225. This is page number 225, example 14. We have to divide 24 into x square y z plus x y square z plus x y z square. This is x y z square. We have to divide this expression by 8 x y z, and we have to use both the methods, like using common factors as well as by individually dividing the things. Now by common factors we mean we have to take 8 x y z out of this term. So first we have to multiply this 24 into this term. So this is plus this is 24 xy square z plus this is 24 xyz square. Now we have to take xyz common out of that. So this 24 is 3 into 8 x into y into z. Now this is 3 into 8 into x into y into z, and this is again 3 into 8 into x into y into z into z. Now we are taking this 8x y and z common, this 8x y and z common, 8x y z. Now we have taken this 8x y z outside. Now what we are left, this is 3 and this is 3x, clear. Now this is 3y and from that we have 3z. So it was supposed to be divided by 8xyz. Now this will get cancelled out. What we are left with, 3x plus 3y plus 3z. Now further we can take 3 common because this will come 3 into xy plus z. Now if we are using another method, that it will be, that means we are dividing each term by, this is 24x square yz by 8xyz plus 24xy square z upon 8xyz plus 24xyz square upon 8xyz. Now this is 3. Now this power, one of the power will get cancelled, yz will get cancelled. Here we have 3x. Now this is by 3, 1 x will get cancelled, one of the power of y will cancel, and this will get cancelled out. Okay, so this is 3, x cancel, y cancel, one of the power of that z cancels. So basically this is, so the answer will remain same. We'll take 3 out common from here. This will be 3 into x plus y plus z. So now what is the, I am saying this one of the power will get cancelled. Now as in case of multiplication, I have told you when two variables, two exponential variables are multiplied, their bases are same, means this is also x, the base of this also x, so power will get added up. Okay, in case of division, suppose I am dividing x raised to power 4 divided by x raised to power 2. Bases are still same, but instead of multiplication, they are in division. So what happens? Their power gets subtracted. This will become x raised to power 4 minus 2. So answer will be x square. So this I did it, same thing I did here. It was x square upon x. So what it becomes? X raised to power 2 minus 1. That is x. So this x is here. So that was the basic concept behind that. Now this was a case when we were dividing a monomial binomial by a monomial or monomial by a monomial. Now how to divide a monomial by a monomial, or that is continued division. So we will check with example. Now first example is, this is 7x square plus 14x. We have to divide this expression by x plus 2. In earlier cases, what we have seen, see, this divisor used to be a monomial. Now it is also a binomial. It has got two terms. This is x plus 2. Now how we are going to do this? Now first we have to factorize this. We can use any method. We can use regrouping. We can use taking common factors out. We can use any, or you can use identity based things if it seems. So it can be written as 7 into x. This is 2 into 7 into x. So how we are going to factorize? It is, we are taking 7x common. So it is left with 7x common. So here it is x plus 2. Now we have to divide this term by x plus 2. This will become 7x into x plus 2 divided by x plus 2. So it will get cancelled out and the answer will be 7x. Clear? So next example, that is example number 15.